Today we will see how we can deploy our Next.js application to Vercel. So it is very easy and it's very few steps we need to do. I will show all of them today. So the first thing we need to do, we need to sign up to Vercel. You can come to vercel.com and you can just click the sign up. I have already signed up, but you can just click the sign up and there is a continue with GitHub button. You can directly choose this one. But let me log in first with my GitHub account so I can show you how we can deploy our application directly to Vercel. So when you open your Vercel application, your dashboard will look like something like this. And there is templates you can directly use, and after that you can directly get that project and use it as your own and make your implementations. But I will use the one we have already created in the last lessons. So I will click the new project here, and you can directly click here and choose your GitHub name, or you can just add your GitHub account for the first time, and it will show you the applications, repositories you can directly use and deploy to Vercel. So I will click this one to import, and also you can choose the root directory here. Also there are some build options you can just change. If you want to override, you just need to click this one, and but we will not change something right now. We will use all of the things as a default. So let's click the deploy, and I can tell you the rest of the stuff while it's deploying. Now it's building, and as you can see, it shows the time, how long it will take. And in our GitHub repository, we have all the files. I have pushed them right now here, as you can see, and it will be using all of the files we have created, and it will actually build all of the pages, and it will deploy that page afterwards. So we're waiting right now. Also you can see there are some warnings in the build process. You can have a look at these ones. There are some image tags. It suggests us to use the next image, and there is a use effect hook on the 404 page for the dependency array, etc., etc. And at the end, it just built our application now, and it is ready. We can start looking for our application directly. So as you remember, as you see, it just created us a new URL and with the domain of vercel.app, and you can see our application is running here. So we can check out the pages. The image has loaded as a lazy load here. Also the another pages we have created, all of them is there. And so we can directly check. Also there was another page we made for the dynamic images. It was in products. So we can check all of the products. We can come up here, and as you see, it's all of the data we are fetching from the dummy JSON right now. And when we click the one element, it shows us all of the products, all of the product images, and as you see, the ID, we can change it here directly to 10 to get another ID of the elements directly. And if you want to go to home page again, we can directly go, and there is a contact page. All of the routes is working. So that's it. And we have created our application and built it in the Vercel right now. And from now on, whatever we would like to make in our application, if we want to change something into the code base directly, so let's say we would like to change our index page and add something, Whenever we push these changes to GitHub, it will trigger the pipeline for the deployment, and it will deploy all of the changes to Vercel. So thank you so much, guys, for listening me so far. That was all I would like to talk regarding to the deployments of the Next.js today. You can directly deploy your application to Vercel, and don't forget to subscribe for the next videos. I wish you have a nice day. Goodbye.